Morning guys, we're out at the crack of dawn and it's the first time we're on the Johnny for the 2023 season. Chasing muskies and stripers today, running a couple stick baits on our left side. Fred Bowen gave me this rubber, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. Fred, leave a comment and let me know. Let's get fishing. I think we're on, guys. We got a fish. Slow that down some. That ain't no fish. That's called a false alarm and a little excitement. Get these lines reset. Nothing like a false alarm to get the whole heart going. And we're back in the saddle. Just tried up above for about an hour and no luck, so I'm gonna head downriver a couple kilometers to see what happens. Spot number 2. Just getting the lines out, we spotted some bait fish, so that's always a good sign. Water temperature is right around 63.5 degrees Fahrenheit. There's the troller's nightmare, marking a few fish on her. Not sure exactly where they are. Let's check it out with a sonar. Okay, right in the middle, 16 feet down. We're gonna call her a day. She's getting a little toasty out. Let's see what happens next time. We're back out at the crack of dawn. She's about dark 30 right now. Trying to beat the heat. Going to get up around, I think, close to 40 degrees with the humidity today. We're marking fish right around 15 feet on the bottom, so I've got a jake on this side. We've angled her down a little bit, but the tough shad, we're just running her back. It has a huge lip on it, so it will get down there. What was that, guys? You just have a bite there? We're in 18 feet of water. That couldn't have touched. I think we might have just had a hit. Look at that. She's clean as a whistle. I'm thinking we might have had a strike. We picked some crawlers last night just in case the muskie and striper bite was slow again, so we're out chasing sturgeon now. Show you what we got. There's our bait right there. Gonna throw that overboard, see what happens. Got another lionette with the water wolf on her. Nope. And away we go. Now guys, I'm not very superstitious, but look what's coming down the river. That very well might be an eagle feather. We're going to grab her. Welcome to the Woolastook, my friends. Where can we put that of significance now? Oh, check that out. We're on! Woohoo! That didn't take long. We might have a double header here, guys. Woohoo! Right on. Woohoo! First sturgeon of the 2023 season. Little guy. Looks like a short nose. Another healthy release. That did not take long at all, guys. That was awesome. Get this bait back out. We got to check that other one because it was singing too. Was that huge or what? Oh my gosh! Oh, probably another 4 or 5 footer. Oh my God, did you see that one? Hey, that was only about 20 feet away. I hope the heck we got it and the canopy wasn't in the way. Oh man. That's a fish, I think, right there, guys. Oops. Have a look. Yeah, we're on. That's a fish, guys. We are on. That is a sturgeon right there. Yeehaw! Here he comes. Got a little weight to him. Oh yeah, not bad. Probably gonna be 30 inches at least. Little Atlantic. See the curve in the nose. There he is. Woohoo! Got a big fish swimming by right there, 11 feet down. Wonder what the heck that is. Probably a big muskie hunting the flats. That is a fish. We're on. Yes, we are. There he comes. Oh yeah. Oh, he's got some more weight now. Woo-hoo! He's doing the dance now. Look at those rolls. Little Atlantic. Look at that, guys. We're getting a bite. Okay, we're on. Woohoo! Saw him tapping the old line. Smaller guy, I think. Oh, feels like he's got some more weight to him now. Yes, he does. Oh, yeah, it's a half decent fish, guys. We're gonna put the net on him. Yes, sir. That's probably the biggest sturgeon we caught all day. Whoa, missed him. There we go. This is definitely a short nose. There we go. Love to see him. Woohoo! That's a sin, guys. Great big muskie dead. I do see some marks on the side, so almost looks like a prop or something got him. Could be angler mortality as well. Just had a bite on this one. There we are, we're on. Yes, we are, guys. Gotta get that out. We're on again. Woo-hoo-hoo! Got him on the water wolf as well. Feels like a half decent sized fish. There he comes. Oh, smaller guy. Let him go right at the boat.